Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. Hope you are well. Welcome back again to this channel. So in this channel, we are always trying to give you the informations regarding the abroad job informations. So today I will inform you a job openings from European country. So if you guys have a dream to move Europe with your job openings, and if you are looking for a job in Europe, then this is a good opportunity, so don't miss this opportunity. And please keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details we can discuss in this video. So this is the urgent vacancies from Europe, and vacancies in Europe is a good opportunity to build career in a European country. So guys, let's focus what is the job categories and how to apply. So the number one, Tig and ARC welders. Specific for welder professionals, this is a good opportunity. Don't miss this. And I always suggest you, if you are watching this video, then don't be late. First of all, you have to check, are you really eligible for this job or not. If you are eligible, don't miss this chance and don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible by the official email ID. So TIG and ARC welders, TIG welders, MIG welders, structural fabricator, mechanical helpers, welding foreman, fabrication foreman, heavy driver. So there are 8 types of different job openings from European country. So guys, if you are interested to apply for this job, first of all you should have the proper qualifications and educational certificates and the proper experience in the relevant field, then only you can apply for this job. So if you are there eligible for this job, you can apply by dropping your CV and all detailed certificates to the given official email ID. Also you can follow up the process by this number, and this official email ID also you can get in the descriptions below this video. So let's move to next job. Next job is from Romania. It's also a European country and multiple openings in Europe. Only Indian Gulf experience required. That means, guys, please keep in mind for this job you should have experience either in India or in Gulf country. So guys, what is the positions? Position is CNC operator, setting carpenter, MIG welder, electrician, plumber, finisher, steel fixer. There are different types of job openings from Romania. And guys, if you are belongs to these professionals, which professionals are listed right here by the employer, then you can apply as soon as possible. The room, overtime, medical, transportation will be provided by the company. As you can see here, your age limit should be from 22 to 45 maximum. Gulf return preference, 5 years of experience in same field. That means if you are returned from Gulf country with a minimum of 5 years experience in the relevant field, then it will be a plus point to crack the interview. So interested applicant apply with resume plus experience certificates plus passport photo and COVID-19 certificates and work video and photo for approval. Only shortlisted candidates called for final interview in New Delhi. So guys, first of all you have to make your CV professionals and attach all the certificates and working proofs, COVID-19 certificates, passport, photo, everything. Then once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview in New Delhi. As you can see here, the official email ID right here. You have to send your all documents to the given official email ID. Also, you can follow up the process by this number. So guys, let's move to next job. Next job is also from multiple vacancies in Romania. Client interview will in June, but don't worry for the interview. It will be extended and it will be continue up to July last. So guys, the position is HVAC coordination and HVAC installers, welders, MIG, metallic fabricators, welding coordinators. This is also technical job openings, and if you are really belongs to these professionals, don't waste your time and just kindly mention the position in the subject of your email, contact number, apply with biodata, passport photo and testimonial to this official address right here. Also this is the official email ID and official contact number. So as you can see here, this is the office from Kochi, and this is the office from Mumbai, Mirapur, and also you can try to visit this office. If you have any concern, you can talk with them directly. So guys, let's move to next up. Next up is interview for multiple position in Romania. Requirements for a steel fabrication construction company in Romania. Interview will be 14th, and don't worry, I already told you, don't worry for the interview. It will be extended up to July last. And let's focus the job descriptions. Production engineer, AutoCAD draftsman, MIG welder, TIG welder, lathe, and also must have more than 3 years of experience in the relevant field. Then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID and also official contact details. So as you can see here, this is also very important job openings from Romania, and your document will be required working video of 3 to 4 minutes. CV, biodata, original passport, experience certificates, copy educational certificates, copy passport copy, and passport size photo. So guys, there are different types of job openings. I already shared with you, and I can request you please share this information to your friends and relatives who want to move European country with a job. So guys, again, I would like to remember you as a job seekers. If you are looking for a apply, if you are looking for a job in European country, first of all you need to check what is your professions, what is your experience and qualifications. If you have the proper educational qualification and experience, of course you can apply as soon as possible by the proper process. Once you apply, if you will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. After you getting success from the interview, the rest process will be started by the company. So guys, I hope you understand how to apply, what is the job openings from European country, everything details. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So for today, that's all about a job openings from European country. I hope you understand what you have to do, what is qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job, everything details. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. In the next video, of course, we will discuss about job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Take care.